Hi guys, how are you? I am going to show you a common property of a definite integral. Definite integral which has limiting value. To prove that integral 0 to a f of x dx equals to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. First take the right hand side. In most of the maths we have done from left hand side, but in this, as to prove the property of definite integral, you can take right hand side. Integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. A minus x. Let z equals to a minus x. dz by dx. ddx of a equals to 0 and ddx of x equals to minus 1, or dx equals to minus dz. This minus will be with dz. Now we have to change the limits according to our taking z equals to a minus x. When x equals to 0, put x equals to 0, z equals to a. When x equals to a, then z equals to, putting x equals to a minus a equals to z equals to 0. Now we took z equals to a minus x, putting limits. Z equals to 0 will be a, limiting value will be a, and z equals to a will be equals to 0, as we have calculated the new limits. F integral a to 0 f of z minus dz. Take the minus out. Integral a to 0 f of z dz equals to, this minus will change the limit again. A to 0 will be replaced by 0 to a because of the minus. F of z dz. Now what can we do in the next line? F of z dz. We have to prove in the f of x dx. Here notice it is dx. Then we took z equals to a minus x. If we now put f of z equals to f of a minus x dx, then we have nothing to prove. It's the first line. But we have to prove f of x dx. Since it's dx and f of z dz here, then we can replace z with x, f of x dx, which is the left hand side. Thank you friends. Love you.